Hello students, today we are going to learn the conversion of hexadecimal number system into its decimal equivalent. So we can write HD number to D number, decimal number. That is, we are going to learn the procedure of conversion of third system to first system. That is hexadecimal number system into its equivalent number. So again, some steps to follow to the conversion of this HD number into decimal number system. So what are the steps? The first step is step 1. This procedure we can understood by taking one example. Suppose we take one example. The hexadecimal number 3f of 16 is converted into decimal number system or in its decimal equivalent. So what to do here? 3f, this is the hexadecimal number. So this is quite close to each other. So first of all, write this hexadecimal number in splitting form. So our first step of a procedure is write the HD number in splitting form. That means we are write this number in separate, keeping a distance in between. So 3f is a number which is to be converted into its decimal equivalent. Now write the decimal weightages of HD bits. So below each digit, step 2, below each HD digit, write the decimal weights or decimal weights. The decimal weights of HD bits will be like this. Suppose this is the decimal point. After decimal point, the weight will be 16 raised to minus 1. To the left of decimal point, it is 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1, 16 raised to 2. That means this is the decimal point, 1 by 16. Here it is 1. 16 raised to 0 means 1. Here it is 16 and here it is 256, square of 16. So here 1 by 16 is equivalent with 0.0625. 1 by 16 is 0.0625. So below each HD bit, write the decimal weight. Now here it is an integer number. So we start from 16 raised to 0. So this is f. F means 15. F is the equivalent of 15. So it is 15 into 16 raised to 0 plus 3 into 16 raised to 1. Is it? Step 3. cancels each weights under the digit 0. Cancels the weights under zeros. So here is no zero, that means we can add these two weights directly. 48 plus 15. After adding, we will get 63. So 3f of hexadecimal number is equivalent with 63 of decimal number. Therefore, 3f of hexadecimal number is equivalent with 63 of decimal number. So in this way, we can convert the 3f or hexadecimal number system into its decimal equivalent. Step 4. Add all the bits. Add all the bits. Add all the bits. This complete the procedure. So 3 to 4 steps are required to convert HD number into its decimal equivalent. For better understanding, we can take another example of HD number into decimal number. It is, suppose twice 2AB. This is one of the hexadecimal number which is to be converted into its decimal equivalent. Now we are having a procedure, and according to the procedure, first step is like this. What is the first step? Write the HD number in splitting form. This number you can write in splitting form, that is 2AB. Write weightage of each hexadecimal bits in decimal form, that is 16 raised to 0, 16 raised to 1 and 16 raised to 2. But here these are the decimal bits of HD bits. Now here it is multiplied by 2. So 2 into 16 raised to 2 plus A stands for 10. So 10 into 16 plus B is equivalent with 11 into 16 raised to 0. That means we can write 2 into 16 raised to 2, it is equal to 256 plus 16 into 10, that is 160, and 16 raised to 0 into 11, that is plus 11. Now if we are going to add these weights, 256, 512, 512 plus 160 plus 11, that will give, adding all these, 1 0 2, that is equal to 3, 1 6 7 8 and 6 1 minute, 16011 386 683. 683 is a decimal number or equivalent of hexadecimal number twice AB. So this is the second example. Now we can take Another example of conversion of hexadecimal number into its decimal equivalent. What is 6DA? 6DA is to be converted into its decimal equivalent. Follow the steps. Step number 1, write the hexadecimal number into its splitting form 6DA. This is the HD number in splitting form. Now write under each or below each HD digits its decimal weight. So here A stands for 10. So 10 into 16 raised to 0, adding with D 13, A, B, C, D. A is equal to 10, 11, 12, 13. So D is equivalent with 13. 13 into 16 raised to power 1 getting added. Here 6 into 16 raised to 2, that is 256. 6 into 256 plus 13 into 16 plus 10. Here we are getting multiply these two numbers. 6, 6, 36. 6 with carry 3. 33 with carry 3. 15. 15, 36 plus 78. 7, 208 plus 10. So 208 and 10. 14, 5, 7, 1. 1, 7, 5, 4. 1, 7, 5, 4. 1, 7, 5, 4. In this way, we can write 1, 7, 5, 4. It is the decimal equivalent of the 6DA of hexadecimal number. Now this is 3 into 1. Next conversion. This is the integral conversion. And we know that the fractional conversion is also available. Fractional conversion is also available. Hence, our next point is how to convert HD fraction into decimal fraction. HD fraction into decimal fraction number. That means the HD fraction number is to be converted into its fractional decimal number. Suppose an example is poise f 0.8 of this hexadecimal number. It is to be converted into its decimal equivalent. Here this is the combination of integral and fractional part. So this is the combined number. That means here we have to apply integral conversion as well as fractional conversion. So for fractional conversion only we have to write the fractional weight of the HD fraction to its decimal equivalent. Now write this number into the splitting form. So write the hexadecimal number into its splitting form. So 2f.8. Here to the left of decimal point we have to write f, it is 15. 15 into 16 raised to 0 plus 2 into 16 raised to 1 point. Here 8 into 1 by 16, that is 16 raised to minus 1. 16 raised to minus 1. Here 2 into 16. 32 plus 15 into 1 is 15.8. 8 divided by 16. 8 divided by 16. 1 by 2, that is 0.5. It is 0.5. 7 4. So 47.5 of decimal. So here 47.5 is the decimal equivalent of 2f.8 of hexadecimal number. This is the conversion of HD fraction to the decimal fraction. Now next number, we can take another example of HD fraction to the decimal fraction. The example will be like this: 0.2f. 0.2f of hexadecimal is converted into decimal number. Now write the weights splitting form first of all, into the splitting form. So here decimal point 2 into 16 raised to power minus 1 plus f means 15 into 16 raised to minus 2. That means here 2 by 16 plus 15 by 256. After solving this addition, we are getting number 0.1836. It is of decimal equivalent. In this way, we can convert the hexadecimal number fraction into its decimal equivalent. Now, another conversion of 2 into 3. 2 into 3 means binary to hexadecimal conversion. 2 into 3. 2 is converted to 3. That is second number system. The number of second number system is converted into third number system. Binary to hexadecimal number system. Two into 3. That is binary number into its HD number. To convert binary number into its HD number, two steps are there. Number one, you know that binary number is a chain of ones and zeros. Is a chain of 1 and zeros. Make a group of 4 bits from the decimal point to the left of decimal point. Make a group of 4 bits from the decimal point. Step 1. Make a group of 4 bits from left of DP, decimal point. Second step, after making the group of 4 bits, write its hexadecimal equivalent. Write the equivalent of 4-bit group, and that is what the HD of binary number. For example, we take example 1101 0101 1010. This is a group of chain of 1 and 0. It is to be converted into its hexadecimal number. Now making the group of 4 bits from the left. So it is the first group, it is the second group, and it is the third group. So 1101 0101 and 1010. This is the group of 4 bits. Now convert these groups into its hexadecimal equivalent. Here 13, 8, 4, 12 plus 1, 13. 13 means it is a D. See, A10, B11, C12, D13, E14 and F15. So 13 it is stands for D. So it is hexadecimal equivalent. 5, 10. It is 10, that means it is A. So this number is equivalent as D5A of hexadecimal equivalent. So in this way we can convert the binary number into its hexadecimal number. Suppose here 4 and 4 bits are here. Suppose here only 3 bits are there, then you can extend this number or making the group including or adding 0 to the left of last digit from the decimal point. This is what the binary to HD conversion. Now reverse is the case. HD to binary conversion. Now we are going to see the conversion of 3 into 2. 3 HD number is to be converted into its binary number. Reverse is the process. Steps are different. What are the steps to convert the HD number into its binary equivalent? Step 1. HD number 3AF, example 3AF. It is a HD number, hexadecimal number, which is to be converted into its binary equivalent. Step 1. Write the number HD number in splitting form. Like this: 3 A and F. Step 2. Write the hexadecimal equivalent of each HD bit into its equivalent number. Write the binary number. Write the binary number in the form of 4 bit. So it is 0 1 0 0 1 1. It is 3. A 10 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. So this is what 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 3AF is the HD number 16. It is to be converted into binary as 0011 1011 1111 of binary. So in this way we can convert HD number into its binary equivalent, number like this. Next, BCD binary coded decimal. What is the BCD code? Now 1 is the decimal number system, second is the binary number system, third number system we know, that is the hexadecimal number system. We are studying all the number systems and conversion or interconversion of these number systems. Now fourth number, it is BCD. BCD code, BCD or 8421 code, 8421 code. 8421 code is used because in binary number system it is a long chain of zeros and ones. It is a long chain of zeros and ones, and we cannot remember the change of the numbers in the form of zeros and 1, and that's why instead of 1 and zeros we have to make a group of 4 bits. So it is very easy to understand. That is what the BCD code. Now again, conversion of this number, decimal 1 to 4, that is decimal number to its BCD code, decimal number into its decimal number. So BCD number, for example, decimal to BCD. Example, decimal number, suppose 56 of decimal is to be converted into BCD. Now write the decimal number into splitting form. So 5 and 6, this is the decimal number. Now write the BCD equivalent, 8421 0101, making the group of 4 digits. Then 6 0110. This is what BCD code, BCD coded number, 0101 0110. So it is decimal to BCD conversion. You can convert the decimal number into its BCD equivalent numbers. Second, another conversion, it is a reverse, BCD to decimal conversion. BCD to decimal, that is 4 is converted into 1, that is BCD to decimal number. Binary coded decimal, suppose a chain of number 0101 1011. This is a binary number, or BCD number, making a group of 4, BCD number, it is to be converted into its decimal equivalent. So making the group of 4 digits, 0101 and 1011. So it is what? 4 5. Okay, 8, it should be 0. 8 plus 1 9, so it is 59. In this way we can convert BCD number into its decimal equivalent, or the decimal number into its BCD equivalent. So students, it is enough for today's lecture. We will see the next topic in another lecture. Thank you.